Have you ever zoned out during a crucial meeting on Zoom, for example, only to realize that you've actually missed everything? Well, stop stressing, because I found a tool that's just for you. It's a genius tool that records, translates, and perfectly summarizes every single call you take. And the best part, all right, folks, so for someone like myself that has taken a lot of Zoom calls in the past and still continues to do so, I have to say, I'm one of those people where sometimes in long meetings, it's pretty easy just to drift off. And even if you are comprehending everything that's going on in the meeting to your best ability, sometimes you just don't remember the important bits. So this is where TickNote really comes in and just enables you to not waste any time when you're taking these meetings. Go away, digest it in your own time. So it's really, really effective. It records the audio perfectly, translates into different languages they have other audio recording softwares do on Zoom. So this is really kind of like a no-brainer if you're into this kind of thing. As you can see, it's verified here on the Chrome Web Store, which is absolutely fantastic. And it's really easy. It's 2 seconds to basically just download straight to your actual extensions here, as you can see. And we're going to be demonstrating for you today how it works really simply. This is the back end here. As you can see on TickNote here, we are logged in on our own account. And I've just got a meeting set up here for the time being. All right, so what I really want to make sure we point out is I'm going to start recording now. I'm going to show you after I hit start recording, recording is starting here. And as we can see, the participants doesn't change here. It's only me in the meeting. So there's no random bots that are coming in here, anything like that. Okay, so for example, I can say, okay, so for today's meeting, we're going to be talking about some health and safety issues in the workplace. We're going to be talking about the type of safety equipment to wear. We're going to talk about emergency evacuation procedures in case there's something like a fire in the building, maybe there's a terror attack on the building or anything like that, and we need to evacuate, making sure that everyone is on board and able to act safely and calmly in the case of an emergency situation. So that's really cool. See how it's bringing all this up, and say if we're happy to stop the recording there, we can pause it if we like, and look at that. It's just recorded the whole thing. What's really great is you've got translation options here: English, Spanish, Italian, Japanese, everything, Polish, Portuguese, the whole lot is there. Your language will be there. You can turn the toggle transcription on, which we already have it on. As you can see, our language, of course, is in English. You can invite, mute all, have a little more button there where you can do things like enable waiting room, hide profile pictures, things like that. And it's great because this is all just done simply through the plugin. And again, I just want to stress, we are the only people in the meeting here. Nah, I mean, look, you can just have it on the back end and just, yeah, basically record everything and process it in your own time. Okay, so basically we're happy there with that 40-second recording. So we're going to hit stop recording, and recording completed. Check out the full transcript in the actual back end there, which is great, the dashboard there. So as we said, the second your meeting ends, the transcript there is automatically put onto the cloud, and basically the magic starts to happen via the dashboard. What's great is you don't have to manually organize everything. It utilizes over 100+ different templates to do it all for you. It's super good because it automatically categorizes your messy conversations. All right, so we're on a little meeting that we did earlier here with some other business folk here. Service business sales optimization training, that one was for. So quite relevant to what a lot of people might actually use this for. And as you can see, the whole transcript, you got the transcript section here, shows the entire transcript there of that 10-minute meeting, which is fantastic. And then after that, it basically summarizes as well. So you've got a summary of the meeting, and see how it's really good. It actually divides things up really well. What's the meeting overview about? This session provides an in-depth training for service-based business owners and professionals seeking to enhance client acquisition. All right, so that's pretty good. Then it comes and gives us the core topics, the power of the finish line language, translating features into tangible benefits, creating a guided conversion journey with the case funnel. Lots of great stuff here, as you can see, even Q&As, key data, core insights. I mean, how good is that? All done with AI. Then if you want to go ahead and see the core topics of the discussion, you've got Mind Map here where you can go in and actually see all of that. So I think this is super cool. You can actually zoom in and out here. So for example, key data's here. It gives all the key data metrics there, as you can see. Core topics here, all right? So we go core topics, all the different ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I mean, imagine that just up on a massive like whiteboard or digital blackboard or something like that for the whole team to see. It's just going to make everything far more efficient, wouldn't you say? Then if you want automated key insights and really important moments here, we've actually got an aha section where we can actually go over and have a look at what they pulled up. So these are some insights that they pulled up. Aha from Wise, for example. Look at this, original quotes, key insights, inspiring thoughts, stuff like that. So great to have that there as well. So for example, I noticed during the discussion, the shift to outcome-driven messaging fundamentally changes client engagement. That's something that's worth revisiting. Then if you want to go ahead and pull cross-reference insights from the conversation, you can do it. Head over to the Deep Research tab as we've just done there, and you can actually go ahead and generate a full report, as we can see here. How Finish Line Language leverages behavioral psychology to reduce prospect hesitation in service-based sales, as an example. And look at that, click to generate full research report there. So as you can see, it's doing that, it's doing its researching, and yeah, pulling the insight data there, which is fantastic. Okay folks, and now we're going to show you something really cool. We're going to basically have Shadow Report over here on the right hand side of the screen. As we can see, we're in Shadow Agent, we're in the summary section. We're going to basically drag over this little bit here, this Service Business Sales Optimization Training, and we're going to have the Shadow Agent create a PPT report suitable for a CEO. Okay, so what we do, drag that straight over. You can simply drop that in there, and then we're going to prompt it. Create a 6-page presentation summarizing this meeting, and basically we just hit go and we let the Shadow Agent do its work. Let's have a look. So still generating, and it's just really impressive how quickly it gets this going. Let me build a stunning modern 6-page HTML presentation. All right, fantastic. So as we can see, it's created here. Your 6-page presentation is ready. Here's what was built. It gives us the presentation overview here of the sales optimization training, and it's all here. As we can see, it gives us a slide breakdown, everything here, the design features, fantastic. And if you thought it couldn't get much better, well, it can, because it breaks down all of the global barriers for business and communications, because there's over 120 languages we can basically translate into. All right, so let's have a look at this. We're in the summary section here. Click these 3 dots here. You got download, translate what we're after. How about we go for, let's scroll down, maybe Spanish. That could be good. Generating your content, and let's see if it actually puts it in Spanish. Fantastic. So that actually took maybe about a minute, which is absolutely no time whatsoever. And as we can see here, it has been translated our summary into Spanish. You can scroll through there and have a good look. I mean, how good is that? Then we can actually go ahead and take this a step further here by popping in a little prompt here. Let's have a look. Translate this entire deep research report and mind map breakdown into Spanish, maintaining a formal business tone. So we'll let the AI do its thing. So I love that. I mean, how easy is that? It's generating right now. All right, so that's fantastic. That took a couple minutes to come through there. But as we can see, it has set it all up for us. We can see it right here. It's all in Spanish, exactly what we asked for. Okay, folks, now I just wanted to also go in and actually show you the completed presentation for this training summary that we have put together here. So it was just in our little section here, presentation service B, and it's all here. And I mean, you let me know in the comments how you think it looks. I think it looks absolutely fantastic, easy to read, really nice slide presentation. Everything's there. Service Business Sales Optimization. It's 6 pages in total. And look, how cool is this? We can easily scroll across. Why service businesses struggle to convert, the do's, the don'ts, the winning approach. Really cool that it gives you that blueprint to really go ahead and follow. It gives you the case funnel, turning attention into clients, all of the different steps that you need to go through, content and traffic gen, opt-in. And as we can see for the page 5 here, it's got information about the numbers that make a difference, all the changes and things there. And just on the final page there, it's the implementation plan. And in terms of like priorities and what you need to tick off and whatnot. So, I mean, how good is that? Just a full scale business presentation right there for your employees or whoever it might be to tackle for whatever niche or business that you have. Take back your time and never miss a meeting detail again. Check the description below to get your account started today.